Temperature's good, keeping an eye on that. PSI is good, voltage is good. We are only running one engine at the minute. The temperature's at 50 Celsius at the moment. Yeah, but it is a bit disconcerting not having water going through the system. It's a bit weird, but I'm not exactly sure how this is called exactly. But all the temps are alright. It's been running for a few minutes. I've tested reverse works as well, so you know, all I need is some half decent bait and some mooring pins or something, and I can get the fuck out of here. You know what I mean? I came over because I've got to recover the boat after the nice week we've had, because it's going to be raining in a few days, right? So I'm back over here, putting the tarpaulin back over where some of the leaks are, at least will keep the boat a bit more dry. But yeah, as it stands at the minute, we're ready to rock and roll, I think. Cool. We go forward, reverse, and I want to get at least another. Well, I'm going to try and get a guy from the marina to help keep an eye out on, because it is quite fucking tight around here. So yeah, and the engine's just actually fucking stopped now. What the fuck? Why has that stopped? This is what I mean. Fuck's sake. I'll leave it for a few minutes, see what happens. This is what I was afraid of, you know what I mean? What a pain in the ass.